Chapter 6. Background and Themes. When you open a blank template, by default the slide background is white. However, you can change the background color and make it more colorful. PowerPoint also offers built-in themes, which have a design color, font style, and format. Background. You can change the background into a colorful solid, color, pattern, texture, or a gradient to make your presentation look attractive. Apply solid fill. 1. Select the slide of whose background you wish to change. 2. On the Design tab, click on Format Background in the Customize group. 3. A Format Background window appears on the right side. 4. Select Solid Fill and click on the Color drop-down arrow to view the different colors. 5. Choose the desired color, and it is applied to the current slide. If you want to apply the same color to all the slides, click on the Apply to All option. Apply Gradient Fill. 1. Select the slide of whose background you wish to change. 2. On the Format Background window, select Gradient Fill and click on the Preset Gradients drop-down arrow to view the different gradients. 3. You can adjust the type, direction, angle, and color of the gradient. Or, if you want to apply the same gradient to all the slides, click on the Apply to All option. Apply Picture or Texture Fill. 1. Select the slide of whose background you wish to change. 2. On the Format Background window, select Picture or Texture Fill and click on the File or Online to add a picture, or click on the Texture drop-down arrow to view the different textures. 3. You can adjust the transparency of the texture. 4. Click on the Apply to All option to apply the texture to all the slides. Apply Pattern Fill. 1. Select the slide of whose background you wish to change. 2. Right-click on the slide and select Format Background. 3. On the Format Background window, select Pattern Fill and choose from the different patterns under Pattern. 4. You can choose the foreground and background color of the pattern from the drop-down arrow menu. 5. If you want to apply the same pattern to all the slides, click on the Apply to All option. Themes. A theme is a combination of colors, fonts, and effects. Different themes use different slide layouts. There are many different themes that you can apply to your presentation to make it look beautiful and professional. Apply themes. 1. Select the slide on which you want to apply a theme. 2. On the Design tab, click on the drop-down arrow in the Themes group. 3. Choose from the different themes and apply to the slide. To apply a theme to all the slides, right-click on the theme and select Apply to All slides. 4. To change the color, font, effect, or background styles of the theme, click on the drop-down arrow in the Variants group to view the options. 5. You also customize the theme further with Format Background.